Alright, my name is Matthew Brown, so welcome to my YouTube channel. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for notification to get awesome content as this. Alright, so in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to create a seller account, and I'm going to introduce you to all the parts of seller accounts. Okay, alright, so this is basically going to be simple, and I'm going to be covering a lot in this tutorial. First, I'm going to show you how to create that account, then I'm going to walk you through seller and tell you a bit more about seller, and all of this you'll be doing from the comfort of your smartphone, which is pretty simple. Let's go. Alright, so welcome to the seller website, which is selar.co, and let's go right into it. So first of all, I'm just going to introduce you to seller. So this is seller, and you can actually read it up. So seller is an e-commerce marketing platform where you could come to create your account and own your e-commerce store totally for free. Now seller is free, but seller also have premium packages. All right, so you could have more access when you pay for their premium plan, and I will just walk you through some of those plans and all of the features. So first, we're just going to click on seller pricing, so you'll be able to know what seller is offering for each of their plan. Then after this, we'll come back to the registration process and go from there. Alright, so seller plan comes in the monthly, the quarterly, the biannual, and the yearly. Okay, so we have the monthly for the maximum of I think 31 days. The quarterly is 3 months. The biannual 6. The annual is, that's the yearly, is a year. All right, that's 12 months. All right, so let's go right into it. So first, we have the Stellar starter plan, which is totally free. With the starter plan, you get you get to sell any kind of product, but all has a limit. Okay, you cannot actually host a course and do some other thing. Now we have the pro plan, which goes for a month, which goes for 8,000 naira for each month. We have the tumble, which goes for the 15,000 naira for each month, and all of these plans comes with better features. For instance, we could start with the pro. So you can host your online course, you have an online webinar, and replay videos, and directly you can host your courses and webinar, replay videos and files directly on seller. So seller will help you to host all your course videos, and you can actually sell all the products. Okay, so seller also plays a security, so your videos do not get stolen, and also it prevents theft and 10 times your sales with more robust features and integration. Now when seller mean 10 times your sales, you actually get all the features. So first, I just want to open this up and show you how it is. So you have everything in the starter plan. You can upload up to 10 courses, which is unlimited videos, unlimited products. So with the free plan, all of these unlimited, you get them as limited, and you will not be able to actually upload your videos directly on Stellar. So you have other payment platforms like the PayPal and the Stripe for verified merchants. So you have the operator support, and you can pay what you want products. Now this is a feature which seller offer, where a customer, for instance, is basically for people who want to run a charity, where a customer can come to your store and pay what they want for a product, or probably just have a book and you want to offer it for free, but you still want to make money, so you can offer the product or the book, the ebook, or the product as pay what you want. So what the customer feels they want to pay, they will pay for it. All right, so that's what seller offers. Also, we have other integration. Seller comes with an affiliate marketing. So with the pro plan, which is the pro plan of 8,000 per month, you get access to unlimited affiliate marketing. What this means is affiliate marketers can actually sell your product for you. So you have access to millions of affiliate marketers that are willing to sell your product, and seller has millions of affiliate marketers, so they don't have to. All right, so you get access to unlimited affiliate marketers, and so you have opportunity to sell your product in no time. So your online courses and all, you can sell them in no time. So you'll be able to get 10 times the money you actually invested in this. So you have unlimited coupon codes. So we have WordPress LearnDash integration. So LearnDash is an LMS, which is a learning management system. So in case you have an online course website that you use this in LearnDash to create, you can actually integrate it with Selar. All right, so we have the Katra integration, a custom domain. Okay, what this means is, now for instance, if you're using the free Selar, you get a domain like selar.com. So you get a subdomain. Okay, when I mean subdomain, for instance, we have domains like let's say matthew.com. It's a domain. Okay, the matthew.com as a domain, that's what a domain means. Okay, now Selar is going to offer you such things like matthew.com depending on what you want. Now if you're with a free plan, you have subdomains like matthew.selar.co. Okay, so something like that. But with the pro plan, you just get a matthew.co or matthew.com depending on what you want. All right, so we have the upselling, which is a customer can come to your cart, buy a product, and go to the next page, and you sell them something to boost up your sales. Okay, so for instance, you have the cream and you have the cream oil. Your cream can be your sales, then they go to the next page and you offer them the cream oil that will enable the cream to work better, I guess. So that is an upsales. All right, and upsales are generally sales that are higher the price than your normal sales, then down sales are less the price. All right, so you have your custom domain. Also you have 10 videos, so you can actually upload 10 single videos on your site, okay, for your online courses and all. You have access to sales page and landing page unlimited. You have affiliate sales page, you have your drip course content and course certificates. These are just too awesome. Seriously, you need to pick Selar seriously, because it's actually cost effective and it will help you achieve all your dreams when it comes to owning your own e-commerce platform, when it comes to owning your own corp's website and all. And you do not have to do anything. Selar has taken care of everything for you, from the sales page to affiliate marketers that will help you sell your product to almost everything. So what you just have to do is just create your course and upload, and that's all. All right, so we have the turbo plan. It's 15,000 for every month, for each month, and depending on what you want, if you're going for the monthly, the annual, the biannual, and all. All right, so we have everything. The pro plan, you can upload up to 25 courses. So in the pro plan, you have up to 10 courses, okay, but in the turbo plan you have the 25 courses and unlimited videos. You have, okay, so on the turbo plan you also have membership. You can actually sell membership. Okay, so people can come to your Selar website and actually subscribe. Okay, they can pay on subscription on monthly basis and all of that. So you can sell up to 25 single videos and webinar and drip membership. All right, so these are the plans Selar is offering you. So we have the free, which is what we are using currently. We have the pro and we have the turbo, and I've showed you all of this. And Selar has integration payments with over 10 countries. Okay, so you can actually look at all of them here. So your clients can be anywhere in the world and Selar will cover those payments. Okay, Selar collects a standard of 4% for every sales you make, which is, if in Nigerian naira, that is a 50 naira. You can actually calculate that in other currency, which is very, 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 very little. All right, so we're going to click on start with Selar, and basically we'll just come to this place and you click on start selling. All right, so because I already have an account with Selar, what I'm going to do is I'm going to sign out, and I'm going to log out here, and I'm going to be creating a new account. So what we're going to do is, Selar has made the whole process easy. If you have a Google Gmail signed on your account, you can actually click on Gmail and you'll be able to create one. Now you could also create a free one here manually, but with the Gmail it makes it a lot easier for you. All right, so all of these, you're just going to create your username, So I'm going to use a suggested password and I'm going to click on create account. But best tell you to actually create your own password. So my username has actually been taken, so I'm just going to go with something else. I hope this has not also been taken. So username has actually been taken, so I'm just going to use something different. So I'm going to click on create an account. Wow, hey, this is serious. All right, so first seller accounts, first stage, which is where we put our username and password and create all of those details, has been created. The next thing you have to do is to set up your banking details. All right, so you're just going to click here and we'll set up that. All right, so first you have to choose your country, then you choose your bank. So I'm a GT Bank user. Then you put your account number. Now seller will need all of these details to set up your account for you. Now it's pretty simple. Once you put all of that, your name is going to be showing here to show you that, oh, your account is actually correct. Now it's like I also said, seller is going to send your money to you after, depending, I think that's after 1 working day or so, depending. You have to go check the details well, and you receive your money for every sales you make. So I'm just going to click OK, and we have successfully created this account. Now we could just do well to add products. Okay, now because we're using the free plan, a lot of features will not be open up to us. For instance, let's just go through all of these first. We have a physical product. Now the physical products are probably if you have an e-commerce store where you want to create an e-commerce store where you just basically sell shoes, bag, all of those physical products, you can actually click there. For online courses, you just want to go with your digital product, sell any kind of digital product, ebooks, downloadable products, music and all. If you are only doing a concert, you want to basically go with the ticket. If you're having a membership for subscription, you have to go with subscription. We have the service and all of that. So now seller has a cost. So this is actually on the pro plan. You do not have it unless you have the pro plan, so you can sell your online courses here, so people can take your courses on the seller platform. Okay, they do not need to go outside of it. You can actually stream online videos also. All of these membership courses and flexible subscription, they are all on the paid platforms. Okay, so I would advise you to actually go that way in case you want to start using seller for subscription base. It is pretty awesome. If you want to start using seller for the pro, I have a link in the description. Do well to click that link and set up your account, and I will just get a tiny little commission at no extra cost for you. I think it should even be at a better interest for you also. All right, so for the physical product, you just click on add your product image, your product name, your selling price, how much do you want to sell. Okay, then you can do well to, now because I'm in Nigeria, this is in the Nigerian currency. Now if you're in any part of the country in which seller covers, that will be in your own currency. You do well to put your product description and your product categories. Just try to use them and your subcategory. Then the product has multivariants, meaning is that black, is that white and all. So if you click on it, you could actually add multivariant. So all of this information, you could do well to check on that. And so you have your quantity of the product. How many products are you offering? Do you have the upsells and downsales and advanced options? And okay, so all of these are all available on the seller platform, So upcoming marketplace and affiliate networking and all. So I think this is just an information to want us to click on. All right, so that is how you can set up your seller account and start creating products on all of the accounts. So you could do